Welcome, boys. Day 33, attempting max allocation on top step. Bro, I ain't posted for a few days, but Monday we passed an account. Tuesday we passed an account. You're gonna see me pass another f***ing 5 accounts in this video, or whatever the f*** it is. Let's get into the video. You're gonna see London session, bosh, London session and New York session, and I do one Asia session trading this video, trading gold. So boys, if you're not ready, shut the fuck up. I've already said that. I'm gonna shut the fuck up. Let's get into the video. I didn't even have time to load up OBS, bro. Honestly, I'm laid in bed and I can't sleep. I'm like, yo, I've got to pass these fucking accounts. Got to make pee, bro. Like, do you know what I mean? I can't be fucking around. Sat with my knob in my hand, bro. Can't make bread, bro. Don't do us like that, bro. Should I try? This is how I record, boys. Fucking hell. Oh, here we are. Beautiful closure. Come on. Come on, that's it, that's it, that's it.
Order filled.
That's what I'm fucking talking about. Come on, that's it, that's it, that's it.
Order filled.
That's what I'm fucking talking about, bro. 1,500 on the fucking dot, bro. You dumb. Yo, boys, I'll be honest with you, right? Sat here. Girlfriend's upstairs asleep. I was like, yo, there's such a clean setup of gold. Boom. Just like that. Right then. Back to bed. And then I go hit a fucking next trade tomorrow at noon. I didn't even have time to copy trade the bitch. Sweet. Right, yo, boys, so this next trade is London session. This is 7 hours later after the first Asia session you've just watched. Now, pay attention to this, because if you're watching today, which is Friday, I think this trade was on Wednesday, but if you traded NASDAQ today on Friday, the same thing happened in London session, and I actually made an entry very similar to how we traded today on NASDAQ. Now, as you can see, market opened, and it was too close to the short entry, like already open, so I didn't want to be aggressive and take it immediately. But what it did is it does wick out, hence why here, what obviously was one support becomes resistance. I now made this my resistance level instead of here. So now what you're waiting for, and what I'm waiting for, what you're about to see is I'm about to take a buy off of the break here. Just a little insight, because I know a lot of people traded NASDAQ on this day, and I had a lot of DMs when I posted up that I won. You know, like, why did you not take a short? This is why, when basically what it is what I've learned is when an entry, meaning a short or a buy, like if the market opens straight away at your buy point or your sell point, it's just so fucking risky to get in. You want to at least move like a stop loss away. That's what I've learned in by AJ. So just a little pointer there. But I know a lot of people got faked out and lost this trade, but you'll see how I won it. Also, I'm currently about to go to pass another Apex account in this trade, so watch.
Order filled.
Right, I'm long. So just for context, boys, I'm trading NASDAQ. This is at London session, 8 a.m. UK time. Trade this all alone by myself in the morning. Fucking love it.
Now, if we can break out of this area here, I will add on. Right, we're adding on. Alright, I've added another 10 cons. Another 20 cons there.
Boom, as you can see, boys, I have to go for a 1 of 4, bro. I've literally used 96 contracts because the range is so tight. I have a 5-point stop on the NASDAQ. We're at 2.26. We need to get 3 bags, which is, like I said, it's around a 1 of 4. So 96 contracts on the long, MNQ. Yeah, boom, another fucking few $100 and we'll be on our way. So yeah, see how this shit plays out.
I think 1 of 3 in it. Oh my gosh. Surely not. Are you mad? Have you seen how close he was? He was 1. I can't believe that. Break even just taking me out. We was 1 pip away.
Jarring, boys, 1 pip away. Fucking dumb. 1 pip away. But yo, the next trade you're about to see, it's going to be Asia. Then I'm going to go into a London session again and then blah, 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 blah. So check it right. This is Asia session. Following night, went for a sell, went for a short. Ended up finding some sort of support, so I was like, fuck that. Put my stops to break even. Got broken out. It is what it is. We keep it moving. Now, here, you're going to see me trade in London session. Now, with this session, I'll be honest with you, zero volume. I trade NASDAQ on London session. Zero volume goes on. I was nearly going to take a buy on an entry then, but I ended up walking away, so... You know, the crazy thing is there, boys, the fact that I even walked away is a W within itself, because later on the entry did actually rise, but it was so late into session, it was 25 minutes into session, I believe, something at that point, and I was like, you know what, fuck that, the volume's low, the entry's late, it's already made its move a fucking hour prior in pre-market in Frankfurt session. I was like, you know what, I'm walking away, I'm done. So me being able to do that and not like FOMO and chase the W or the L or the traders, should I say, was progress in my eyes. So I'm glad that I did that, to be honest with you. But it's all good. It actually ended up being a winning trade, but I don't give a fuck.
Order filled.
I sold MNQ.
Order filled.
Today I'm going to go ahead and use a 25-point stop.
Right, look, boys, this is the guy that I've learned everything off. AJ, you can hear him speaking, right? Now, if you want to join this trade room, it is free and it's in the description for 7 days. Bruv, this guy's taught me, and look what's happened. 6 accounts, fucking top steps, flying. Like, bro, if you want to jump in, go for it. Get an idea for yourself. But, yeah, go in fucking well. Loving it, yeah. So, as you can see, boys, we are about to hit our target. I'm also on Apex as well, about to pass this account if I hit 3K. So, I'm going to put my mouse over that, 2.3, 2.4. Just do a little bit more, we'll pass this account and 2 other accounts. Actually, I just forgot there's 2 accounts actually trading at the same time on here. We have AJ on the right. Well, yeah, see, we are close. As you can see, profit down here on this account, but it is yeah. Alright, boom, so we just passed that account, and now we've just passed this account as well. Fuck off. Come on, you dumb.
Alright, here, we're getting some dough in our pockets
Order
now.
filled.
Boom, so we just passed that account. Just passed 3 accounts.
Great trade. Why am I?
Boom, 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 boom. Just like that, boys. It was a fucking sick trade. That was the 4th top step account passed. But at the same time, I was doing trade sync and also trading on Tradeovate. We also passed another 2 accounts on Tradeovate. So that now gives us a total of 5 accounts. And what? I've activated all of them. In the last 4 days, passed 5 accounts. Now, if you already know, you've watched my previous videos where I already passed an account on Monday and another one on Tuesday. I bought 10 accounts. And I thought, look, let me get an understanding of my win rate, day rate. So I did. Now, I know from my trades journal, from me tracking all my trades, right, for the past couple months, right? This is last December. I mean, this is December. That's just gone. And then here's January. So this is January so far. This needs to update, actually. This needs to update this day, to be fair. But as you can see, this week we've done fucking sick, right? Boom. Now, I've come here and I'm being like, okay, cool. So if my win rate's around 65% and there's an 80% win rate, right? Just shy of an 80% day win rate, right? If I buy 10 accounts, theoretically, using statistics, I'm going to pass around 6 to 7 accounts. Now, the key metric and the key thing to know about these accounts, right, with Apex is every single account that I've passed this week in the past few days only required 1 trade. All I had to do was risk the drawdown, hit a 1 to 2 every single day. I mean, on Monday, I hit a 1 to 5 because I got my wrist wrong. The Tuesday, a 1 to 3. But if I was to do this again, I know exactly how to do it. I'm going to do a video on this tomorrow. But if you do want to get one of these accounts, you're going to come to Apex Funding, Tradeovate, choose whatever account you want. Let's use the 50Ks for an example. Now, these 50K accounts are usually $200 each. Now, this is the important bit. Lock in, you have to use that code. If you don't use that code, it's just not going to work. Simple, right? Calm down, next. It's going to load. And then what's going to happen is it's going to go from $200 all the way down to $40 an account. And the crazy thing is, if you pass and you pass that account, all you have to pay is $35 to activate it. I had to pay $65 this morning for 5 accounts. Now, I had to pay $65 this morning to activate every single account. But if you get in now, you pay $39 for 1 account right now, right? And all you have to pay once you pass it is $35 to activate it. It's fucked. Honestly. So what I'm going to be doing is trading on London session with all my Apex accounts and on New York session, all of my top step accounts. So come on, we got 9 accounts. We've got one more top set to go. So hopefully on Monday we get that. If not Tuesday, we'll keep it fucking moving. Come on.
Yeah, I don't think I'm taking sells here. It's possible I take a buy if it breaks structure to the upside. I'd rather miss out on the win than take a loss, a risky loss with price being so oversold and taking a sell.
I hear that.
At least that's how I look at it, guys.
That's enough of this trend line.
So we'll see. I'm going to wait for the rebound.
So look, boys, if you've watched the full way through, you remember the trade that I mentioned earlier in the London session when I didn't take a sell, I didn't take the short. Now, I learned this through being in the room with AJ, right? This is something that I learned, something that I picked up on, and something I was able to identify on. When the price wicks out to a buy or a sell within the first few seconds or very early on when market opens, and especially if the entry is so close, especially at market open, right? We don't want to be jumping in because it's risky, right? It's super fucking risky. But what we can do and what commonly does happen is we can wait for a reversal. So just like you were just saying just then, you would rather not enter on a trade like this, right?
I'd rather miss out on the win than take a loss, a risky loss with price being so oversold and taking a sell.
Because I know a lot of people obviously entered shorts today, and some people lost, some people won, right? But he would rather not enter just because the probability isn't as high because it becomes risky and fake outs. And we can always wait for the reversal. Hence what we're waiting for here. I hope that makes sense. That was a bit of a fucking shambles, I'll be honest with you, but yeah.
Pretty calm, the reversal on NASDAQ.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for her to go. I'm probably going to risk 3 micros if it breaks structure here. I mean, gold breaking structure looks real good too. But as you guys know, I'd like NASDAQ better. So I do think if gold keeps pushing, it's a valid buy right there.
Order filled.
I'm in. I don't think my man's in, but
I'm on the NASDAQ. I'll let you guys know if I exit the position or what I do. I'm going to use a 25-point stop. There's actually pretty good volume today.
So look, boys, this was a quick trade today, I'll be honest with you. As you can see, price is wicked out to the downside. We've then coming for the reversal. Our resistance zone becomes where previous support once was, because what was support becomes resistance. So immediately, as soon as it broke, I was in, like bosh.
I'm closing this. I'm not going to get greedy on Friday.
right there's one
Let's
to get
go.
out.
Order filled.
I'm out. Yeah. You out? You staying in? You staying
How
in?
do you
Yeah.
guys feel about that? Just under a 1 to 2, but I'll take it.
You're staying in, huh?
I was just gonna try it. Oh no!
Oh no!
No! No! No!
Oh, look at the exit, and it.
Think I should stay or not?